Look over here, guys. This big hole over here. He's gonna need a new furnace. For now, I'm gonna put some tape and I'm gonna cement it. But see that big hole there? I could bring the light, so the light over here. Look at that. You see? It's a big hole there, and the whole thing is shot all right out. I never seen nothing like that before. Just like that, just right in the cleaning, right after the cleaning. This is the cleaning part. We have a big hole there. I'm gonna put some tape. I don't have the insulation. I might have some insulation. I might probably wrap that insulation there for the time being, but he's due. And this is a Ultra Armstrong. This is an Armstrong furnace, Ultra 80 oil. They was having all kinds of problems with this type of furnace. And that's one problem right there. Armstrong, take a look. I'm gonna put some cement there. Get it go him for now, but he's gonna need a new furnace over here. So I gotta take a picture of that too. Send it to my boss. Alright, signing out. I gotta wrap it up over here. Get some numbers and tell this guy that he's gonna need a new furnace.